Today, I'll be taking apart the rest of this Audi A8 LED headlight. This is one that I took apart a long time ago and it's just been laying around. So in this video, I'm only going to be disassembling this LED assembly. Before I begin disassembly of this unit, I'll go ahead and show you around the front and back and all the pieces that make up this one assembly. I'm going to just go ahead and start removing the T20 screws that hold this thing together, and we will get this thing disassembled. So this front bezel is held on by two T20 screws. You just need to remove this one, and then slowly release the clips and pull it forward. After removing the screws from the rear, you can remove this upper piece simply by unclipping the wire harness and pulling it forward. So to remove this outer piece of trim, there's going to be two T20 screws, and then there's two clips here on the side that need to be released. So once you release those two clips, this will pull forward, and now we have access to the three T20 screws holding the light bar in place. So here's the main bracket with everything removed. There are a handful of black clips holding the LEDs to this clear lens. So I'm just going to release these clips and pull the lens off. Now, with the plastic bracket removed, we have access to all of the individual LEDs on this ribbon cable. So I'll just go ahead and pull these off. Next, I'll remove the T20 screws from the top of this to get access to the LEDs underneath this heatsink. There is a single T10 screw on the bottom of this set. Now, to get access to the main LED drive units, there is a whole series of T20 screws that I'm going to have to remove. I counted 20 screws that had to be removed in order to get access to these main LED units. The bottom row are all rear driven, but the ones that were on the side, the LED is on top of the reflector bowl. So the ones on the bottom are not the same as the LED units on the side. Now I'll give you a close-up view of all of the LED units. This is the ribbon cable of LEDs that made up the center light unit. These are the 3 LED drive units that make up the top assembly. This is the LED unit that makes up the bottom drive unit. This was one of the more complex assemblies that I have encountered. As you can see, there were a lot of T20 screws that had to be removed in order to do this disassembly of this drive unit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.